Well, well, what do we have here? Oh yeah, this is what we're gonna, I know none of y'all have seen this here, but this is the front clip for the truck. Yeah, it's kind of sitting out here on a pallet to get it out of the shop because it's big and in the way. Much easier to work on the truck when this stuff is not in the way. Also have the bumpers, front and rear bumpers here, the brackets, all that. Yeah, so let's get in here and get to work. See what we can come in, see what we can find, see what we can get into. Let's go. Well, look at here. What in the world did we find? This is somebody's prime thing. It's on the side of the road, Let's go in there and let's go inside and open the box. Let's see what it is. I don't know. Oh boy, what did we find? What did we find? Let's get in here. Let's see what this is. Hopefully it's not just an empty box. I don't know. I seen Flex Light on and I had to pick it up, So let's see what's in it. Let's see if we can get in there. Oh, can we get it? Can we get it? Maybe it won't fall off. Oh, don't let it fall. Don't let it fall. All right. Oh, it's gonna fall off. It's like danger. Danger, Will Robinson. Oh, oh yeah. Well, let's hold off. Let's see. Maybe I can get it without dumping it. Maybe. Oh, we gotta cut that. All right. Danger, Will Robinson. Let's get that cut. And you gotta have two hands for that because it might die, might cut stuff. All right, hang on. Let's go. Oh, all right. Let's be a little smarter. Let's think smarter and harder. And let's flip the box over and we'll maybe find a box side that's open, I mean, find on the side of the road, right? So let's get this open. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's open. Man, look at that. Boom. What is in there? I thought it was kind of heavy, so there's something in there. Let's get it out of the box and we'll see. Let's see. Well, let's see. What do we have? There's papers in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Let's see. Get that papers out of the way. Oh, man. Heck, yeah. Another bag of wires. I hate wires. So anyway, get rid of those. What do we got here? Let's not break it. Oh, man. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. I believe this is a thermostat looking deal, I believe. You wire that in there. Got a little, probe. Oh, sweet. That looks cool. All right. And what is this? Looks like brackets. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Brackets. So we got brackets. And we got the fan. Now this fan, it's got look at this, check this out. It's got rubber along the edges so you can seal it. And this fan, S-Blade fan, yes sir, 3300 CFM of air pulling magic. So we should not require any overheating to keep this truck cool. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is a Flex Light. I think I said, what's the name on it? Flex Light Black Magic 180. With the 180 has the controller box and the wiring harness and all that good stuff. So this should be killer. It's set up. Of course, you got all kinds of nut rivets, to hold the brackets. So you can kind of customize it to fit any application. So there'll be some work into this, make this fit, make this good. So that's what we got. So we got a Black Magic. Bam! If you're overheating with this, you got some major problems. Major problems like compression getting into your, leaking head gaskets. But anyway, so that's looking good. That's coming in. We're gonna, we got the stock radiators in the truck. We're going to use that for now, and then we're going to, I like to upgrade to an aluminum radiator, maybe, a Champion all aluminum replacement type radiator for these trucks is perfect. That's what I want, but, we're getting there one step at a time. We got to have the Got to have the basics first. We're gonna make it run, make it drive first, and then we're gonna upgrade. All right, guys. Let's see what else we can get into. Now we're on to the unboxing. We still got wiring to do. Yeah, oh yeah, we got to get it ready so we can do some wiring, more wiring. We got to start with more interior removal. Probably go ahead and get the glove box assembly out of there, and the controls and that stuff, so the electrical hookups behind the dash, so we can start pulling the wire out of it. So, and then we're still contemplating on the pass through for the firewall. Got any ideas on that? Feel free to let me know. Comment them, send me a PM, do whatever, and we'll get some more ideas. I have a few. I got a couple buddies, that are give me ideas, especially Bobby. He's the one that actually showed me this Blackmagic 180. I mean, you can't pass it up, dude. It's a heck of a deal for what it gives you. If you're doing a fan, you need a fan shroud, and this is rubber seal. I mean, it's 100%. So let's get on. Let's do some more work. Let's check it out.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, I got you set up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove this glove box cover and the paper kind of cardboardish, whatever they call it, insert. And as you can see, that right there, when you're working on wiring underneath the dash, light is your helper, right? So I kind of set this up. This is usually under hood light, but you can actually use it on the interior. You can put it up there and shine down, or you can put it on the bottom, shine up, whatever you need to do. So let's go turn that bad boy on, see what that looks like. And we'll get some tools and take this glove box assembly off. So let's see. Boom. All right, so that's put down the blanket so it's not too bad to get in here. Box is moved. Now, what are we going to need to do? Looks like there's a couple screws there. One there. One there. There we go. Now she's coming out of that one. What do we have here? Alright, so the wiring in here does not look too bad. Looks like all factory stuff. Something there. Okay, so that's not terrible. Now we got access to all the wiring. Probably leave this heater box stuff kind of to itself a bit. Yeah, so that's supposed to go over here. A little duct tape, whatever. But metal looks really good. No rot. No, oddball stuff. So let's go to the other side. We'll start working on disconnecting some connectors, and so let's move on. We'll get to the other side. Let's go. Well. Now let's see. So we got a lot of wiring. So I'm gonna start disconnecting. I'm gonna start with these auspicious yellow, whatever that is. Disconnect it from the switches, get that out of there. There's gonna be a lot of trash coming out of here today. So let's get after it. And guys, this is where the day has went awry right there, that thing. So anyway, just kind of show you what we've been doing in here. We're moving, of course, the headlight switch was here. We'll remove that. Got that wiring, all this wiring all the way back to the box is or the fuse panel there is done. We're over here now. Of course, got the disconnected from the dash cluster. That's what that's for. And of course, a little miscellaneous from the wiper motor and all that. Now we're down to the big deal here at the ignition switch. So generally, to remove a Chevrolet ignition switch, all right, so most of the time when you have the key, all you need to do is insert a small pin or Allen key or whatever in here, and basically pulls it out, right? Yeah, this truck's been sitting for a long time, and it was kind of finicky before. As you can see, even with the key, it's tough to get moving. So anyway, what we're going to have to do is do what we don't want to do and use a drill. So yeah, that sucks. But anyway, let's see what we can get out. Let's do a drill. Let's drill it. Alright guys, so luckily with the new wiring harness also comes a new ignition switch. And so let's go use this right here, a little cheap Harbor Freight step bit. And if not, we'll get into the real bits if we have to, but not really wanting to do that if I can help it. So let's just drill. Just see what happens. So that actually went pretty easy for the first spot there. We're going to get into the real drill bits here, because we need to go bigger. Let's see how this goes. It does not like that at all. Alright. And it smells like WD-40 in here because I just sprayed WD-40 in it to try to hopefully free it up. But nope. Alright guys. Big Mama Jama now. Yes. Really. That's the only thing I don't like about these bits, because they're not keyed like the nice ones. Hang on to it, boss. It's cutting it, but man. Okie doke. Let's just ruin it. yeah, how about that? Well, we're gonna need a vacuum after this. Lovely smell of WD-40 in the morning. Alright, so. Yeah. You gotta break it before you make it better, I guess. I think I'm gonna make this real nice. Just not mess up the dash. That's what we care about. All right. Think she needs a little bit more love. That's my hand. Ah! Hungry. I hate this crap, really, I do. Coming out of there, you can guarantee it. All right, whether it likes it or not, you know. I'm hating life right now. This crap. Yeah, buddy, I win. I win. Yeah, we win. We didn't mess up the dash too much. A couple little spots, you know, made for holding what's important. We didn't ruin it too much. So, yeah, a little bit right there, but, and that is what you have to do when you have to ruin it. So we need to get that off there, but we have a new ignition switch, so not really worried about that. We'll get this off of Sadie. We will need to keep that. So that kind of sets the ignition switch, you know, it's got a multiple sided there, so we need that. That's the most important part of the whole deal. All this is garbage going in the garbage. So anyway, she didn't want to come out, so she came out anyway, whether she liked it or not. These are two heater connections. See if I can get them off without ruining them. Where is the screwdriver? It's through the screwdriver. Come on. Disconnect yourself. It's gonna be one of those, I can tell. Gonna be one of those. As you can tell, I ain't scared to ruin some stuff. Come on already. Well, that'll work too. See, this sounds a lot easier. All right. So, all the electrical stuff's disconnected. As you can see, yeah. Yeah, there ain't many ground in this beast. Alright. So that just comes on down the end like it down. That's the wiring. Simple, really, for these trucks. You know. Now, second problem is trying. We got to get this panel off the. Let's see if I can help out here. Let's just show you. Anyway, we got to get this panel that's in there off the firewall, but the screw that's on the other side, or bolt or nut or whatever it is, I don't want to release, don't want to come off. So, you know, we're going to be breaking some more stuff. So we're going to end it here for this video, and we're going to break more stuff the next video. Got to make it worse before you get it better. Make it better. Let's go, guys. Have a great week, and laugh at me while I ruin stuff, and, you know, hopefully helps you from not ruining yours. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.